What's up, guys? In this episode, we're going to install the rocker panels here on the 70 Super B. We're going to show you the whole process of us removing the old ones and then getting these new ones installed, and it's going to be a really good one, so stay tuned. Line up these little repairs here on the A-pillar structures and also the bottom of the door jamb openings. This I had taken off of a donor rocker panel that I got with the car many years ago. Blasting it here in the cabinet, just getting it nice cleaned up, surface rust all removed, prepped down, ready to go for some paint on there. And then I'm gonna prep the rest of the metal, get the flanges nice and straightened out. The Nip-X tools I've got right here are so nice and easy for that because they've got these flat jaws. Go ahead and crimp down just like this. Get that flange nice and flat so it'll lay in and weld it in perfectly. Like it was meant to be. So now Dave and I are just continuing to work through getting these bottom of the door jamb opening spots and all the little areas finished up, prepped down, so we can get the new rockers put in. I've got to still get out some of my old remaining outer rocker panel pieces. Dave's already got his side going here. So this is just a lot of nitty-gritty work, kind of meticulous, getting the old pieces out, test fitting, getting these things welded in. And now you can see here, getting that piece buzzed in. And Dave was also kicking butt over here on the driver's side. I had stolen off that little square piece right there, which had the upper door hinge from the 4-door donor car because mine was really terrible. It had no strength left, so he's getting that one fit up, welded in, rust protected. Everything looking so good here. Also just correcting little pinhole repairs and other little spots as we go. Just trying to get everything here solid and having no more pinholes, no more examples of old rusty spots showing up on the car. Wrapping up today, this is what Dave accomplished here on this driver's side. Got all these ugly bad spots and pinholes out of here, and this is an example of what was there structurally for the upper door hinge, and that is total garbage. So we've got new donor pieces that are going to be going in there looking mighty fine. Then over here, I cleaned up all sorts of pinholes and stuff in this area here. Got stuff fixed there. Got this guy welded in over here. We've got to make room still to get the outer rockers in there. And then I've got this guy that's gonna go right here and fix this ugliness. And then these new A-pillar structures we already have from AMD. So that'll wrap all that up. And then we can get this dog leg from down here from a piece I have outside. So we're about tidied up here for all the ugly little bottom of the door and A-pillar, B-pillar structure pieces. Just a little bit more refinement to go. Our goal today is finishing up installing the rockers on the car, and Dave's already been, dare I say, rocking it over here. Looks very, very nice. You can see how he's got it fit up. Everything aligns really good. Nice and square along the bottom too, relative to the body. He test fit the door against it as well. So he's already ahead of me here with his side, looking really nice. And I'm about to do the same thing on mine and get all those welds broke free and pop my rocker off. And similar to what you saw on his side, I've already gotten some welds broke free, like these ones here. This dog leg is in, but I left it loose so I can get out the remaining pieces here. So there's this part, and then this upper, the inner part of the rocker stays attached to the car. So I'll have to break free all these spot welds. It's kind of sandwiched up here in between this panel here and the inside one. The support structure stays. This one will get transferred over too. So just splitting off all these spot welds here along the bottom and along the top and getting her out of here. So now it's just the job of busting out all these old spot welds that are still holding the old remaining outer rocker panel on there. So just a lot of air chisel, a little bit of grinding, also using drill, trying not to bust my wrist this time so bad, and just buzzing out all these pieces, trying to get it all split out and separated. And there you can see the rocker panel is off. At least that's what remained of it. So now it's just down to the actual inner rocker panel, which is pretty good to go. Surprisingly, it survived as well as it did, and this is the end cap and the structure piece that I have to save off of it, and that's pretty much it. Now it is ready to have the new one installed. And once again, use my Nip-X to go ahead and try and straighten out this flange a little bit here. It's going to be a little wavy, but I want to get out of some of the giant waves, and then when I go ahead and weld in that new rocker to it, it's going to bring everything all together and tighten it up because the new piece is nice and straight. So just trying to get a little bit more refinement before we go. Prepping out some of the areas here that were rusted from removing the old outer rocker panel. We'll get some zero rust on there and spray it so it's nice and sealed off, and some weld through primer. And then once we get this rocker panel installed, this car is going to be so much stronger and even better than it was in the factory. And here I'm hitting some final prep work before getting my rocker installed, just getting all the areas where I'm going to be welding in the new rocker panel cleared down, so this way all the old spot welds where there's pieces of metal that are left over and other weld spots from the old one ground down, spraying in that zero rust now, getting it all sealed off and protected, do about 2 or 3 coats down there. Over to our parts pile of fun, getting out this passenger rocker panel. Once again, all these parts here, partnered with AMD, hooked us up with so much for this video. Thank you guys, you rock. That's beautiful right there. Love seeing those new parts come out of the box. And now I'm just doing a little quick job of scuffing down the EDP that's coated onto these parts before we go ahead and install them, because I wanted to put some zero rust on top of that, get even a few more coats of rust protection on there, because these things are getting sealed off and I don't want any sort of rust ever showing up on the inside of them. And then after getting that thing protected on the inside, just test fitting it up here. Dave's helping me mock it in, getting a couple little spots refined because there was a few things that were holding it up, and it was looking really good after that. And now let's go ahead and get that little inner structure piece welded to it and weld it in. And here it is, just tacked in, held in with some sheet metal screws and a couple little tack welds here and there, but you can just see already how awesome that looks. So now just got to spend some time going around the whole thing and welding in all those plug welds on the bottom flanges, along the top side. But you can see the holes are already there from where I had drilled through from the other side, so that makes it so easy. It was also averaging around 100 degrees on the days that we were working on the car and filming these videos, so Dave and I were absolutely sweating our asses off. Now I'm just getting this outer end cap prepped down to get this thing installed at the end of my rocker panel, and then I can start welding in all the rest of the structure. after one killer thrashing Sunday, Dave and I have got both rockers pretty much completely installed. Got to dress up the welds a little bit here and there, but this car has now got its full structural support. And once again, that just really changes the whole look of the car in such a great way. Out here rocking it, looking awesome. Killer work, man.
I'm tired.
Yeah, about 100 and something degrees today, and probably about as close as that in the garage, so we're beat. Now I've got these 3 pieces made up, and these are gonna go down in here, for example. I'm gonna have this guy going right there, looking really nice. This guy goes right down in here, like this, and then this guy goes right up here to finish that spot off right there. And they're all protected from rust. Guys, we have both rockers installed on the car. You can see it's looking really good, structurally strong now. Dave's side also looking immaculato, and we're moving on to bigger and better things coming up in this next episode for some magic in the trunk. So thank you all for watching, and we will see you on the next one.